This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Mary Ross Ellsworth. Welcome to this stunning 3-year-old ranch home, designed for multi-generational living in a serene neighborhood. The open floor plan features a cozy 2-sided fireplace, wonderful for gatherings. Enjoy a sunroom filled with natural light and a large, screened porch with peaceful views of the woods, great for morning coffee or evening relaxation. The primary suite ensures privacy, complete with an ensuite bathroom. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath on the main floor create an inviting in-law suite. Upstairs, a versatile 4th bedroom and full bath can serve as a guest room, office, or playroom. A large unfinished room offers great potential for storage or expansion, featuring a temperature-controlled attic fan to keep your belongings safe. The fenced yard includes 3 gates for easy access, plus an 8x12 shed with electricity for additional storage or workspace. Minutes from Sleepy Hole Golf Course, parks, and recreation centers, with easy access to interstates and military bases. September 23, 2024. For more information, review the details below.